E-mini S&Ps extend the Wednesday rally, trading north of the 50-day moving average, hovering at around 34.30 right now, likely eyeballing that September high of 35.87, the all-time high. We're not there yet. We still have a ways to go, but certainly have made back a lot of ground. And over the last several days, we've seen a rally here trading north of that key 50-day moving average. Once we got through it, things seem to sort of move a little bit quicker, as they typically do when you break through key resistance levels like that. So equity's still trading on that hope and optimism that they've been trading on really since those uber lows were put in back in March. The VIX index, yeah, as you can expect, as we see the equity markets rally, the volatility index goes lower. So right now we're hovering near a 2-week low in the VIX index, but we did bounce off that low. So not necessarily threatening to make new lows or continue to trend lower, kind of holding in that 2-week range after extending and making a brief new low today. So that's very typical. As we see the market extend higher, we see volatility go lower. And lastly, what do we have to look ahead to? Obviously, we have a long weekend coming up, and then next week, we look into earnings, and earnings obviously will play a hand in the market. Expectations are pretty low given the fact that second quarter was so, we'll call it questionable given the pandemic and the lockdowns. But the market has rallied about 10% since the beginning of Q2 second quarter earnings. So at this point, maybe more of that hope and optimism will be priced in if we see some better than expected earnings, because right now we are a stone's throw away from that all-time high, very attainable, but it's going to need a push. So heading into Columbus Day weekend, we may not get there, but if some of these earnings come in better than expected, you can likely expect a test of that all-time high, which was put in just a short month ago.